Fanvue review. Is it worth it for creators and subscribers in the creator economy? The platform promises higher revenue share than its most famous competitor. What it does not advertise up front is what happens when you try to access that money. Fanvue is a subscription-based creator content platform that allows creators to monetize exclusive content directly from their audience, similar in concept to OnlyFans. The platform markets itself as a more creator-friendly alternative, offering an 80% revenue share in its first year for new creators, which is a notably higher rate than industry standard. It supports photo, video, and messaging content across a range of content categories and offers AI-powered tools and analytics within the creator dashboard. For subscribers, Fanvue provides direct access to creator content through a tiered subscription model with optional tipping and pay-per-view content features available on top of the base membership. The platform has grown its creator base significantly and holds a Trustpilot score of 4.1 out of 5 across over 1,700 reviews. The significant split in that review base, however, tells a more complicated story. Creator-side complaints are the most serious and most consistent. Multiple creators report being unable to withdraw funds despite having verified accounts and meeting payout thresholds. Account suspensions without prior notice, with content deleted and balances withheld represent a recurring complaint category. Customer support is described by many creators as running on bot-style responses that do not resolve issues, and reaching a human who can actually help is described as difficult. One creator reported having over $800 in their account with failed withdrawal attempts spanning months and no resolution despite multiple support contacts. Another creator described having their account closed without warning, content erased, and balance retained with no explanation given. A subscriber noted a positive experience with the platform's content quality, but observed that the number of AI-generated profiles mixed in with real creators was a concern. Fanvue is best suited to established creators who have built an existing following and can afford to monitor their account carefully, and to subscribers who verify creator authenticity before subscribing. Now for the pros and cons. The 80% revenue share in year 1 is higher than most competitors. A broad range of content tools and analytics are available for creators. The platform has an active and growing creator base. Subscriber experience with content access is generally described as smooth. A 4.1 out of 5 Trustpilot rating shows the platform has genuine supporters. The downsides are serious for creators. Payout failures and withheld funds are a consistent pattern in verified complaints. Account suspensions without notice and content deletion have been reported by multiple creators. Customer support is described as bot-dependent and slow to resolve real issues. AI-generated profiles mixed into the platform create authenticity concerns for subscribers. Creator earnings are genuinely at risk if account issues arise.